para i-continue nila yung search nila sa paghahanap sa trabaho. O, ikaw na lang, Divine.
I mean, para sa akin ha, kailangan mo rin maging persistent. Kasi without persistency, talagang mag-give up ka kaagad. Kasi 'di ba, sabi ng gaya ng sinabi ni Chris na maraming competition. Kung yung competition sa corporate world is very mahirap na, lalo dito sa virtual kasi marami silang nire-require na mga dapat mong alam. May usually kapag nag-check ka ng mga ads, makikita mo na parang they require certifications regarding applications na mga ginagamit nila and things like that. Pero kailangan mo talaga ng tiyaga. Kailangan mo, you need to really be honest with what you're doing. Kasi with honesty, definitely, doon nila maaano kung tatagal ka o hindi. Even na with very little supervision, as long as you would be able to finish the task that is given to you. Pangalawa, siguro, para sa